Today I'm reading the medicine Cocculus indicus from Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Cocculus is a plant remedy, it belongs to the psychotic miasm. It is similar to Pulsatilla and Ignatia. The situation of the cocculus is that of an unmarried or childless woman. In such a situation, she takes on the role of caring and looking after the people, suppressing her own feeling and desires. Cocculus persons are very sensitive to suffering of others, sympathetic, alert and anxious for the anxious for the feelings and health of others. They can stay away for nights, anxiously nursing the sick. Anxiety for the health of the others is a rubric, and loss of sleep aggravates are the two leading indication for this remedy. The loss of sleep produces an oversensitivity of the nerves. They become raw and on the edge. Oversensitivity to noise, to riding in a carriage, to order, to looking at moving objects, giddiness, dullness, and sense of imbalance. As a result, the patients want to lie down with their eye closed. They are oversensitive to the rudeness and feels hurt easily. Sadness, as if from an insult, the situation is such that they don't feel so connected to and are liable to be insulted by the family, and they cannot express their own feelings. Sadness sits with the eye closed, absorb the sad thoughts, recognize everything but cannot move. They absorb impressions, insults, etc., but cannot do anything about it. Cocculus may have the differentiated from the causticum in this ways, as causticum is much harder, almost dictatorial, and is mainly concerned about the unity and toughness of the family or the group. It is not the problem with the sensitivity. It is not a problem with the sensitivity. While in cocculus there is a sensitivity. Rubrics are sadness as if from insult, anxiety about the health, anxiety for others, anxiety from loss of sleep, dwells on past disagreeable occurrence, recognize everything but cannot move, sensitive to all external impressions, sensitive to rudeness, sits as if wrapped in a deep sad thoughts and notice nothing, grief element from talk indisposed to desire to be silent, taciturn, car sickness, fear of death of others, and romantic. This is all about Cocculus indicus. Now I am reading the medicine Coffea cruda. The coffea is one of the group of the drug remedy. It belongs to the psychotic miasm. In coffea, there is a need to be industrious, productive, and creative, and to do things for the benefits for the others. In order to not to feel isolated, the coffee person feels that he will be accepted by others only if he is benevolent, doing good things for the others. So he will sit awake at night and working and creating something new. It is as if he finds himself away from the home in an unfamiliar place, feeling forsaken and totally isolated. His future is uncertain. He become industrious, creative, making a plan. All these mental and physical activities is the characteristics of the Coffea cruda is not for his success or failure, but out of this need to do something good for the others, so that he is accepted by the group. He is very conscious, and if anything goes wrong, he feels very remorseful. Aircraft crew and surgeon take a lot of coffee because they need to be alert in order to avoid any mistakes and the consequent remorse. Also, person who need to be a creative, like artist, writer, film maker, etc., have a high intake of the coffee. In coffee a person work for the benefit of other and hardly expect any kindness of be shown to him. He hardly experience any joy, and then if there is something sudden joy such as unexpected kindness, He cannot take it. He weeps from the joy. Ailment from joy is a rubric. The difference between the coca and coffee is that the former has to do something great in order to be a part of the group and avoid isolation. Rubrics are ailment from joy, excessive, ailment from pleasant surprises, 4-second feeling, delusion, beautiful landscape of benevolence, delusion, home away from his, charmed with the descriptions of the beauty of the nature, fear, pain of, remorse, plan making many, mental activity increase excessively, mental activity with sleeplessness, activity creative, anxiety future about, quick to act like legacies, weeping, joy from, sleepless thoughts and activity of the mind from, and the same ideas is always repeated. This is all about Coffea Cruda. Thank you for watching.